So making a quick video here, guys. Got this at Walmart. They started making now cauliflower crust pizza, gluten-free. Bought it. It's missing some ingredients that we like, so we end up buying some low-calorie, 60% less fat turkey pepperoni. So the pizza itself has 1,000 calories. We're dividing that between me and my wife. That's 500 each. And then we added these pepperonis. I added 16 slices exactly, so that's 70 calories. So divide that by 2 is 35, so we're eating about 535 calories. I added a little bit of turkey slices, and I just diced them up. That was one slice. So one slice has 25 calories, so make that divided by 2. 535 plus 12. That's about 5. Let's just say 550 calories right there. 550 calories per person, because we're gonna cut this sucker in half on a diet, still within our diet. Where we are gonna lose it though is we're gonna make some wings. It is our cheat day, but we're cheating healthy, semi-healthy. We're making wings on the air fryer, a little bit of wings with some 0-calorie buffalo sauce. So we got our handy dandy Frank's Red Hot Buffalo. 0 calories, baby. No oil in this stuff. And the air fryer does help to get rid of the oil from the wings, so you ain't getting deep fried wings. So we're already going a little bit beyond our calorie intake, but we're doing it not in an excessive way. And let's throw this sucker in the oven, and because you still gotta cook it, and we'll show you the results. Alright guys, so here it is. There's the pizza, fully cooked. Looks delicious. Look at that. It's like a thin crust pizza. It is delicious. We already tried it once. Here's the wings. We're still cooking the rest of them. Throw a little bit of sauce. And can't go wrong with a nice, refreshing Diet Coke. Coke Zero, that's our favorite right there. So, let me know what you think. This is good, you know, it's our cheat day. We're not going way over our calories. If we would have bought Pizza Hut or Domino's and then some wings from there or wherever, Wingstop, whatever, it would have been way higher in calories. These are deep fried, so it gets rid of a lot of the fat. Plus, it doesn't add on more fat. And pizza, nice and healthy and delicious. Can't go wrong with it. Let me know what you guys think. And you can't go wrong with some ranch. Since it is our cheat day, we are treating ourselves to some ranch. A little bit of ranch. I like this light Hidden Valley ranch. So that's it, guys. One thing I also want to point out, y'all ever on Amazon, ever in New Mexico, buy some of this stuff. Delicious. El Ranchito crunchy beef jerky. Some thin slices, crunchy, nutritious, high in protein, low in fat. So definitely recommend it. No, I'm not sponsored. It's just some great food. But yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching. Peace out.